Make a standout resume using AI. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a standout resume using free AI tools. Let's jump in. Start by opening ChatGPT and type, "Write a professional resume for job title with no experience or 2 years of experience." You'll instantly get a full resume with skills, summary, and bullet points tailored to your role. If you already have a resume, you can paste it in and ask ChatGPT to improve it, rewrite it for a specific job, or make it more professional. Once the content is ready, head to Canva and search for resume templates. Various templates will be available right there. Choose a clean, modern design and copy your AI-generated content into it. Now go back to ChatGPT, folks, and paste one by one and fill all the fields of the resume. Customize the fonts, colors, and sections, and add your photo if needed. You can also download it as a PDF with one click. If you want more versions, ask ChatGPT to tailor your resume for different job types, like marketing, design, or tech. That's all for the video. With ChatGPT and Canva, building a stunning resume is fast, easy, and totally free. Give it a try today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.